So mune Zimbabwe ndadzoka zvekare neanother shocking news update yaSensei Tendai avo vakanetsa vanakomana veTTI paBulawayo mushure mekunge vaklemperwa mota yavo ivo vari mukati. So Sensei Tendai vakazobuda mota yavo nereaction yekuti vanga varida kurwisana navakomana avo zvokuzosvika pakusungwa musi weSaturday. So mune Zimbabwe sekuziva kwamunongoita pano paZet News patinouya takakubatirai news updates izvinhu zvakasiyana-siyana zvichipisa mumasites esocial media. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, make sure you click the red button to subscribe or pin in comment section below over commenter and turn on the notification bell so that patinodzoka nemamwe news updates uchingozvionera vadikani pano patinongouya nenews dzinopisa muno munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. So nyaya ndauya ndakubatirai ndichakuradzai stage by stage everything that happened and mune Zimbabwe nyaya ihombe. Sensei Tendai vazobuda mjeri ende muchanzwa mashoko avo vachazotaura vazobelwa out ende muchanzwa zvese zvavachataura about vanhu vavakarwisana navo vekuseat parking paBulawayo. So enjoy this video guys, don't forget to comment. Much love.
Sup y'all. So I just got home. I was arrested on Saturday and I'm just here to unveil the events that led towards to my arrest. So what happened is, after that Friday incident with TTI guys, their supervisors came, right? And they accepted responsibility. They admitted that their guys were wrong and they apologized as they unlocked my vehicle and we shook hands in agreement that this whole nonsense was over. I'm the one initially was supposed to sue these guys, but I ended up saying, you know what, we can't go around with such issues, so let it slide. And on Saturday they sought audience to me through a mutual friend, and if you look closely to the video of my arrest, you see two of my guys that were there. Now they called my mutual friend and they claimed that my vehicle had arrears with them, and the initial arrear was $350 and another $90 which they claimed God knows what that was for. Now I was with my mutual friend here at my house, and my mutual friend asked them what should be done, and they requested my mutual friend to bring me to their office so that we can clear these arrears and have a conversation. That is the reason why I went to their office. So my mutual friend and I and another friend drove to their office and got there because I knew that my vehicle had no arrears. I don't even owe even a single dollar on parking ticket. So I knew from the onset that there were no arrears. So, but I had to go. I'm a law-abiding citizen and I had to go to seek clarification and see what this was all about. So I went there. When we got to their office, I saw three of them supervisors, right? And I requested information as into what these arrears were for. And they took plus or minus 10 minutes without attending to us on this. We were literally just by ourselves with them, right? And it took them plus or minus 10 minutes. And they never produced anything that has to do with the vehicle because there were no arrears, not even a single dollar parking ticket worth of credit. So as we were trying to process this whole deal, before I knew it, I saw police officers came and they put cuffs on me. And they were so desperate to have my video on cuffs so that they can deal with public optics. And I got arrested. And then I never refused arrest. I went to the police station, and it's so disturbing. This is what is more disturbing. To have gatekeepers who never takes accountability on anything, who uses whatever means possible to abuse its citizens, then who do whatever it takes, even if it means lying to me, misrepresenting me that my car had arrears so that I can go to their offices, and all they needed was just a video of me in cuffs so that they deal with public optics. It's so disgraceful to have local gatekeepers giving such companies tenders to account for public service, basic public service provision. It's so disheartening to see that. However, I don't want to comment much on the case at hand because it's still an ongoing case. I've been out on bail. I don't want to comment on the case itself, but I am here to just give you the ordeal and the events that led to my arrest. And this is what is more disturbing about having people who literally lies. How can you expect a basic enforcement officer to take accountability when you as a supervisor lies or do whatever it takes? And remember, this video was taken in their office. This video was taken by one of their staff members in their office. Number one, for them to assassinate my image. Number two, cyberbullying, and a bunch of all other things that I was supposed to sue them for, which will come to play. But let me say this very clear to the public. We should not be silenced when we are being abused by the system. We should do everything we can to stand for ourselves. We should do everything that we can to stop abuse. We should do everything that we can to make sure these hooligans are put to account for their actions. So I'll stop right here.
Why are you abusing people?